These are the new DoPchoice RABBIT-ROUNDER and RABBIT-MAX SNAPBAG systems.
This is a CineD Gear News video, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi, this is Nino from CineD here at NAB 2022. We are here at the DoPchoice booth with Stefan. And actually, we're talking about rabbits today, right?
Yeah, we have all these big rabbits. After Easter, for sure, we have to talk about rabbits, and this is the RABBIT-ROUNDER. So this is a softbox system that we have started to invent because there's a lot of new lights, the COB lights, that you see over here, the Q5 apertures and the non-lux and so the Pro Light as well. So they have all different kind of mounts, and we were thinking, how can we simplify it that you don't buy too many of these soft boxes?
Yeah, because the problem is different mount means different softbox,
exactly,
usually, right?
Exactly. So that's why we have a new system. Basically, the softbox is married together with the frame, with a ring. So you open it easily with this arm system, and then on the other hand, you just can remove also these adapters from, for example, a Felix mount to a Bones mount. So each and every system that is available in the market and will be also in the future available in the market. So that means like you have a very rigid system that is future-proof, that is lasting much longer than some other softboxes that are not so durable build, and then also you have a huge range of softboxes from Octa 5, Octa 3, medium softbox, small softbox, and also the lanterns that we have in here that you also see, for example, here on the non-light. It's the same system. Just take it off.
But you're buying, it's just the mount, or is the whole?
It's the whole system. So it with a little head where you put on these adapters, is always at the end of our softbox. So we are compatible then afterwards with this adapter to any light, any COB light that is available on the market.
So it's actually a good investment because you can buy whatever light, and it's actually good for rental houses for light equipment, right? Because then they can put it on all their lights.
This is the main focus, and this was also the demand that was where we had been asked by the rental houses to develop something in this direction so that we can use it also, that we can use on the non-light, also on the aperture, the same softbox system, and that they don't have to buy 2 or 3 times softboxes for that. And also, it's an easier way in the check-in and check-out process. You don't have to check if all the poles are inside and so on. It's all compact together in one bag. And so it's easy, and as we all know, labor costs is the most expensive thing in our industry, and it saves time time to set it up on set, time in the rental, and that makes it quite easy on that.
Let's talk about pricing and availability of the system. Like, is it available? Can you buy it? Can you ship? Actually, that's a good question that we have to ask in 2022. And how much does it cost?
We learned this lesson, and I totally agree. That's why we postponed the system, because we wanted to introduce it and also be available to deliver it. So it's available. We have them on the shelf, and so you can see more and learn more also on DoPchoice.com. All the configurations, we have a configurator made for that, so that you see which part you need for which kind of light.
What price range are we talking about for those?
I have to
too many different ones, I guess,
because there's a discount structure and so on.
Fair enough.
We know a lot of people say we are not the cheapest ones, but on the other hand, this is something you invest in, something that is future-proof and that is durable.
Usually, to be honest, it's something that often breaks, right? Because
exactly.
It's constantly being used, so I guess it's good to have something with good quality.
Yeah. Exactly, and we can also guarantee that you can spare parts if you really damage something in transport or whatever. But as we try to work with expensive materials and durable materials, it's really what people are trusting with DoPchoice. It's something that has a very high quality level. Yeah.
But you don't only have the tiny rabbit, the rabbit rounder, you also have a big fat rabbit, right?
Yes, correct. So this is something that I want to show you over there. That is for all the bigger lights. We have here the small lights, but there are also some bigger lights over there.
So, Stefan, what is this?
This is my camping tent. No, this is our 8-foot, not octa, because it has like 12 of his spikes, not 8.
Okay, so this is a softbox for very big lights.
Correct.
Yeah.
So the basic idea was also here to have like a universal system that fits on many different lights. And so right now in here we have a SkyPanel S360, but you can also mount it over here, for example, on the DMG lights. That is like 3 maxis together. When you have like a frame system around it, that is just like 4 corners and the bars in between, and then you can adjust it in the size to your light. Then you have this 12 receiving points over there, and to adjust the softbox afterward to get the tension into it. Therefore, we have these little Velcro pads that you can adjust and put on the tension. So this is the flexible system that makes it easy for smaller lights, for bigger lights, whatever you want to use. You can put it here in this frame and you compensate the size just with this pole and the Velcro.
So I will definitely take this back home with me in the hand luggage. Thank you, Stefan. And
Are
yeah,
you sure?
yeah, for sure.
Eurowings
will love this. You will love it.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned to CineD for more about big, small lights, big cameras, small cameras, accessories, lenses, you name it. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.
And if you want to go camping, we can rent it also to you.
You can turn it around and use it as a camping tent. Bye.